Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one multiply by this one and this one. Now we need to focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by bus. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3x squared e to the power of x to the power of 3 dv, that is about ds. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to x. Next we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v, so we have number 3, and now we have the integration s to the power of 3 e to the power of s to the power of 3 ds. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So we can see that this one and this one, they cancel, and now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.